First blood. First blood. First blood.
Remember the night that we met? At the party you sat on the bed. My talent, you said I'm next. My only talent is
First.
I know that I'm not at my best. Lately I'm feeling like less. I hope that I see you again. If I don't, then I'll lay it to rest. It's crazy how it goes. Left me all alone. I've been trying to move on. All I find is road. Searching for a prodigal. Don't know if I'll ever know how she left me with no damn place to go.
Join the battle. Be the legend.
My heart is too cold, so I ride with a heater. She said that she was in love, I can't cuff it because she a born again eater. No niggas who talk about guns say they bout it, but really them niggas get beat up. Dressing all black, I ain't fancy, don't care for occasion, pop out in the beater while I'm in my two-seater. Just made like 55K off my last song. They say that I'm popping, blew up in a month, I'm just hoping it lasts long. The numbers go up every day, I be watching, so I know I pass those. I know she pretty, but I cannot have her, cause my brother had those. And it's sad that I do these women like Yachty one night, then leave out the part where I ghost them. She said that she won't take pictures, I said it's alright, I don't care if you post them. Her friends in my DM, they tryna get at me, but I try my best not to boast them. She said those parties be lit, I said baby I know cause her man all host them. I'm strapping no holster, I need my baby to ride with a youngin' like babe put the Glock in a purse on me. They'll go from riding in Cadillac coupes to riding in them Cadillac hearses on me. Ain't no facade.